It's time for part 2 of the diorama build.
Start by getting an old cardboard box. Now any size will do. Then tear the box apart so you're left with a large flat section of the cardboard. Flatten everything out, then grab a pair of scissors and cut along the folds so you have clean workable panels. This is where you mark a curved shape roughly using a Sharpie. Now it doesn't need to be exact, as this will form the base of the structure and act as your guiding shape for the walls that will curve around it. Now you've got to join the pieces together using masking tape. Keep taping along the seams until you have one long curved sheet with enough radius to wrap around your base. Take those panels and begin arranging them into a curved shape. You want enough length so the cardboard can wrap around your base in a smooth arc. Place it onto your base and do a dry fit. Make sure it stands up properly and holds its curved shape. Now grab a Sharpie and mark random dots across the cardboard. These will be your stars where the LED lights will go. Look at the bottom edges and mark any excess cardboard that sticks out. This is the flap you'll remove. Then use a ruler to guide your scissors or blade and cut along a clean straight line to remove that excess. Another dry fit on your base to make sure everything still lines up and stands correctly. Now using a pencil, carefully punch holes through the marked star positions. Make sure you support the cardboard from underneath, but keep your fingers clear so you don't poke yourself. Okay, turn the cardboard over and start installing each individual LED Christmas light bulb through the holes. Once inserted, secure each one with black tape, then reinforce it with hot glue so it stays permanently in place. Now safety note, if you're using hot glue, make sure you wear eye protection. Tie back long hair and roll up any loose sleeves. Continue installing the remaining lights. Switch the Christmas lights on briefly to test the effect. You should start to see your star field come into life. Notice something important. The spacing of the Christmas lights is fixed, but your star holes were placed randomly. This means not every bulb will line up perfectly. So this is where the iterative process comes in. You adjust as you go, mark new positions closer to where the lights naturally fall, then cut additional holes where needed. Do not strain or stretch the wires to force a fit because these are fragile. Use a marker to outline the stars and LED positions with small boxes so you know where to be careful when painting. You're going to test again by turning the lights on to check. You're going to check that all unused holes are covered and that all stars are clearly visible with no obstructions. Carefully paint around each LED using black acrylic paint. Take your time and avoid getting paint on the light bulbs. Continue painting until the entire cardboard surface is fully covered in black. Place the painted background onto your curved base and begin securing it with hot glue from the back. Work slowly and carefully. Now paint the base using black acrylic paint so everything matches. Take your USB LED lamp base and wrap it with black electrical tape. Just make sure you don't cover the actual light source. And that's it, your diorama is now complete. All that's left is to place your moon lamp inside and enjoy your glowing night sky. The idea here is to show that you don't need expensive tools or supplies to create something visually striking. It's all about making the most of what you already have and enjoying the process of building something from scratch.